Halloween, easy English for language learners. Halloween is on October 31st. It's the same day every year. What is Halloween? Halloween is a special day in Canada, but only for some people. Kids often really like it. But it's not a public holiday, so people still go to school and work, and it's not a religious holiday. Some schools have special Halloween events, like parties or parades. Some kids wear costumes to school. Kids can dress up as anything. Some kids draw Halloween art. I see a bat, a black cat, a witch, and a jack-o'-lantern. In the evening, some kids collect Halloween candy from their neighbors. This is often called trick or treating. Look at all that candy. You can choose if you want to give candy. These are some of my favorites. Some people carve pumpkins. Some people decorate their house or yard. Some adults have Halloween parties. Some people wear costumes. This can be for kids or adults. Costumes might be fun, silly, cute, or even scary. Let me show you. This is a cupcake with a cherry on top. This is a devil. Remember, it's just pretend. Mermaid. Jack-o'-lantern. Pirate. Witch. Zombie. Skeleton. Vampire. Okay, it's your turn. What did you learn today about Halloween? If you celebrate it, happy Halloween! Thanks for learning with me. If you want to watch more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel in YouTube. You can also find all my videos on my website, www.mycanadianenglish.com.